Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from CarWow. So I'm sat in the Mercedes E63 S estate, and next to me is an AMG GT 4-door 63 S. And we're going to have a drag race because I want to find out the difference you get in terms of performance from what are very similar cars underneath the skin. So this E63 has a 4-litre twin turbocharged V8 with 612 horsepower and 850 Newton meters of torque. It has a 9-speed automatic gearbox with a multi-clutch and a launch control system and all-wheel drive. Basically, you get the same engine and gearbox and 4-wheel drive system in that GT 4-door, only the engine is producing 639 horsepower and 900 Newton meters of torque. But you do pay for that. That's £145,000, whereas this is £100,000. This is also lighter as well. It's 1,940 kilos, whereas that is 2,120 kilos. We're gonna have a drag race to see what happens, see how closely they are matched and how much extra performance your money gets you. Now before we do, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Also check out our new merch. Look at this, it's a t-shirt that says I pity the fuel. So you can check that out by clicking on the pop-out banner up there, and that'll take you to our merch store. You can browse through all our t-shirt designs and stuff like that. Finally, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Matt Watson Cars. Right, let's get on with this.
Buying a new car? Head to CarWow to get offers from the UK's top dealers. carwow.co.uk, the car buying comparison site.
Oh, it's close. I think he got a better start. What's happening now? It's nothing in it. Nothing in it. I think your start was ever so slightly better than mine, was it? I don't know. Was it, guys? You let me know in the comments below. Did he start a bit quicker than me? But other than that, dead close.
That was amazingly close, wasn't it? I think you're right. I think I got a slightly better start, and then we were just holding positions across the line, weren't we?
Let's quickly just do one more.
You're trying to get me to slip up.
I'm so trying to get him to slip up.
Your E63 lowered, Matt.
I've no idea. Someone's car just jumped in it. They bring them along. I'll sit in them and race them. Simple. Actually, if you want me to race your car, it's review my car at carwow.co.uk. Let us know what you got. I'll either review it or race it or both. Right, let's have another go at this. See if I can do better this time. That was bang on the money, both of us. Come on. I think it's stalemate. It's stalemate. Your extra £45,000 gets you about that much, and a little less practicality because this has obviously got an estate boot on it, which is always useful. Such a great car this, I love it. That just looks nicer though.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the GTS 4-door did the standing quarter mile in 11.1 seconds, while the E63 S estate took 11.2 seconds.
Okay, now we're going to have a rolling race, 750 miles an hour in comfort mode and automatic for the gearboxes. Here we go then. 3, 2, 1, go! Kick down. That kick down a little bit quicker maybe. Don't need to have slightly different software for the gearbox. And now it's just is what it is. Well, that's enough. Nothing's changing. I'm really surprised that these cars are so evenly matched. I would never have guessed. I actually thought there was going to be a bigger difference, to be fair. I thought it was going to be a little bit like when we raced the M8 against the M5, which also have the same powertrains pretty much. But the M8 mullered the M5. There's not much in it really. It's pretty much the same. That is trying to move a bit more mass though. So it's over 100 kilos more. So there is that. Though that must be more streamlined maybe. I'm not big on aerodynamics, but it looks more streamlined, doesn't it? What would you describe it as? Go on, interact in the comments below. God, I'll do anything for some YouTube interaction, won't I? Now you're going to do another rolling race, but this time, race mode and third gear, manual. 3, 2, 1, go! They both pick up so well with their hot fees. What? It's the same result. Same result. We're not really finding out anything new here. Last one, the testings of the brakings. Final challenge then, brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the line, full emergency stop. How will the heavier GT four-door do? Will it be impaired? Here we go, here comes the line. I would say these cars are rather evenly matched. You got steel brakes, haven't you, or are they carbons?
I think they're steel. Yours definitely are.
Who won? Did I win?
I think you did. It's difficult though, isn't it? I mean, these cars seem to be equally matched in every single way.
Better put it in park, otherwise I'll be ghost riding the whip as the car drives off while I get out. Oh yeah. Right, I can confirm that both cars have steel brakes, and I can confirm that this E-Class won by probably about that much in the brake test. Still overall, it's a win for the GT four-door, so closely matched. Anyway, I hope you Mercedes fanboys enjoyed that video a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on, and follow us on Instagram at carwow. Also, don't forget to check out our merch in the carousel below. And if you click on the pop-out banner, I found an amazing deal on one of these cars. I'm not going to tell you which car it is, or what the deal is, how much you can save on them. Click up there, and you can go check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Oh yeah.